Hi, and welcome to Bite-Sized Climate Change Questions, where I take common queries and try to answer them concisely in just a minute or two. So let's get started. Do scientists really agree on climate change? We'll keep this one short. Well over 97%, some say as much as 99% of scientists agree that climate change is happening and largely caused by people. There is a strong scientific consensus that the Earth is warming and that this warming is mainly caused by our activities. This consensus is supported by various studies of scientists' opinions and by position statements of scientific organisations, many of which explicitly agree with the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change synthesis reports. Nearly all actively publishing climate scientists, over 98%, support the consensus on anthropogenic climate change, and the remaining 2% of contrarian studies either cannot be replicated or contain errors. A 2019 study found that scientific consensus was as high as 100%, and a scientific consensus doesn't get any greater than that. Thanks for watching another bite-sized climate change question, where I try to answer those questions you were too afraid to ask because you thought, well, everybody already knew the answer. And don't forget to keep coming back for more great information, and thank you for dropping by. See you next time.